Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the next big thing in the crypto space? Buckle up because today I'm talking about EarthMeta, or EMT, and why it might just be the future of digital real estate. So, what exactly is EarthMeta? Picture this: a fully immersive metaverse where you can buy, sell, and develop digital real estate. Sounds pretty cool, right? With the rise of virtual worlds, owning a piece of digital land is becoming just as valuable as physical property. Now, why is EMT making waves? First off, it's built on advanced blockchain technology that ensures every transaction is secure and transparent. No more worrying about shady deals or hidden fees. Plus, EarthMeta integrates AI and VR to create a seamless and interactive user experience. But technology isn't the only thing that sets EMT apart, it's the community. EarthMeta has a strong, engaged community of developers, investors, and users who are all working together to build something incredible. When you invest in EMT, you're not just buying digital land, you're joining a movement. As more people enter the metaverse, the demand for digital real estate is skyrocketing. Think about it: virtual concerts, online events, even digital storefronts for e-commerce. The possibilities are endless. Imagine owning a prime piece of virtual land that appreciates in value as the metaverse expands. That's the potential with EMT. Early adopters are already seeing significant returns on their investments, and this is just the beginning. So if you're looking to get ahead in the crypto game, keep an eye on EarthMeta. It's not just a trend, it's the future. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the scene, EMT offers exciting opportunities for everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.